friends, welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today we're making one of the most debated pizzas in the world, Hawaiian pizza. Now before anyone starts with a friendly argument in the comments, let me tell you, this is my version of the Hawaiian pizza. We're starting with fresh homemade pizza dough, homemade pizza sauce, juicy fresh Hawaiian pineapple, pepperoni, and savory sausage. So let me show you my ingredients. I have my pizza pan ready. This is my pizza dough. This is the sausage, and I already sauteed them. See? We're gonna sprinkle the oatmeal on the pan so the pizza dough does not stick to the pan. Okay. Next we have some fresh tomatoes. I'm using these tomatoes. They're the Campari fresh sweet tomatoes, or tomatoes as some people would say. And we have the fresh pineapple, which smells wonderful. Fresh pepperoni. Now, I'm using this pepperoni that I got from the deli, and it's gluten-free, no MSG, no artificial preservatives. I have my sauce and mozzarella cheese, and I got a few pieces of jalapeno. Now my husband doesn't like the jalapeno, but I like it on my side. So let's get started with the dough. I have some extra flour in here. Okay, there you go. Now I'm just gonna lift it up and stretch my dough, and then I'll put it on the pan. There you go. So my dough has risen, and I gently stretched it into the pan. See? No need to be fancy, just spread it on there. And we'll spread the sauce on. Beauteous. sauce has such bright tomato flavors that complements all of the toppings beautifully. The aroma alone is enough to make you hungry. Now comes the fun part with the toppings. We'll do the mozzarella.
This is the whole milk mozzarella.
This is whole milk mozzarella, and I grated it myself.
You know I like it thick.
Mix the slices of the pepperoni. We're gonna put these on like so. Now we're gonna do the sausages, and I'm just gonna take it with my hand. No need to be fancy here. This is only one sausage that I sauteed. Now for the fresh tomatoes.
And those are nice and sweet.
Oh, they are so delicious. Now I'm only going to add the jalapenos on one side of the pizza. There you go. I like fresh basil in my pizza, and I couldn't find it, but I went into the freezer and I was able to find some fresh frozen basil.
It was from your garden, right?
Yes. So we're going to add those on here. I was so happy to find these. Okay. And last but not least, pineapple.
This is the one you bought the other day. That was so sweet.
Yes.
Making me hungry already.
This is going to be just awesome. Oops. I want to cut this one a little more.
Yeah, put some in the back here.
Okay. Okay, one more piece. That looks awesome. My friends, the sweetness of the pineapple often sparks debate on YouTube, but I think it brings out the beautiful balance of the saltiness of the meats. Sometimes the most unexpected combinations become favorites. This is my favorite. One of the things I enjoy about homemade pizza is that you can control the ingredients. You can use quality meats, fresh vegetables, real cheese, and adjust the toppings to suit your need. After all, it's your pizza. On that note, my oven is ready. It's preheated at 450, and we're gonna put this baby in for about 12 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna do the dance once it's done. Okay, so in goes our pizza, and we'll be back in a minute. You know, cooking at home often means fewer preservatives and more opportunity to create meals that are both delicious and satisfying. And let's not forget the pineapple. Pineapple contains vitamin C, antioxidants, and an enzyme called bromelain, which has been studied for its role in digestion and inflammation. Of course, today we're mostly here because it tastes wonderful on pizza. So as the pizza bakes, the cheese becomes bubbly and golden. The crust turns beautifully crispy, and the aroma fills the kitchen. Oh, this is always the favorite part. Anticipation. It's making me wait. Is there a song about that by Carly Simon? Okay, you guys, fill me in on the balance, because I tried, okay? Here it is, my friends. The golden crust, bubbly cheese, savory pepperoni and sausage, and juicy sweet pineapple. The contrast of the flavors is what makes this pizza so special. Every bite delivers a little sweetness, a little saltiness, and a whole lot of comfort. So let's try this out. Make sure. Oh, it smells fantastic. Let's try it.
It's gonna be hot.
I know it's hot.
Blow on it.
Absolutely fantastic. I couldn't find a better word to describe it. Don't want to talk the food in my mouth. The crust is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The homemade sauce adds such freshness, and the meats bring richness. The pineapple adds just the right amount of sweetness. This might just convert a few pineapple skeptics. Thank you so much for joining me today on Healthy Kitchen Wizard. If you enjoyed this homemade Hawaiian pizza, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves pizza as much as we do. And tell me in the comments, are you team pineapple pizza or team no pineapple? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep creating something delicious in your kitchen. We'll see you soon.